So a lot of people will notice, because we treat the body as well, besides treating the face, that their digestion's better, their sleeping is better. They overall feel better and rejuvenated. So the difference in results of an acupuncture facelift and a more traditional facelift is, number one, with the acupuncture facelift, you won't actually walk out with dramatic results like you would in surgery. So the positive of that is you will actually still have muscle movement in your face. A lot of the lines will start to look thinner. Sagging lines will pull up. Any discolorations in the skin, whether it's due to acne or rosacea, or even smoking, will actually balance out in terms of coloring with the acupuncture facials. So the best part about it, it doesn't cost as much. There's no surgical procedure, and you can actually have a facial, an acupuncture facelift at your lunch hour and go right back to work. So a lot of people will notice, because we treat the body as well, besides treating the face, that their digestion's better, their sleeping is better. They overall feel better and rejuvenated, so it's a benefit for both the face and the body.